Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to connect Gmail to N8N. So first, you will go to console.cloud.google.com and then click on New Project or My First Project, and then go ahead and click your existing project or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Now, after that, you will have to click the navigation menu and then look for APIs and services and go ahead and click Library and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will look for Gmail API and just enter it. And once you find it, you will just click on it. And if you haven't already enabled it, make sure to enable it. If you've already enabled it, the next thing that you will do is go to OAuth consent screen and then choose external and fill out the basic details like your app name and email. Click next until you reach the end. Then you will have to go to credentials. Click Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the type and add redirect link N8N gives you. And once that's done, you will get a client ID and secret. Now you will have to go to your N8N and then you will have to add your first credentials and then you will select Google for this. Google, it can be Google OAuth API and then go ahead and click continue, and then here you will use the client ID and secret to connect your Google account. After you connect, you will make a new workflow and add the Gmail trigger node. You will pick your connected account and choose a trigger like new email. Then you will run a test to make sure that it works and you're now connected, and that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.